This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to recover an old version of a Google Doc. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So we're looking at a press release that I made last year. And let's say that somebody said to me, okay, we need to go back to an earlier version of the press release because you deleted some important stuff. This is how to do it. And this is assuming, of course, that I wrote this particular doc in Google Docs. It's not like copied and pasted from another source more recently. So I'm going to open up the Google Doc. I'm going to go to File, and then I'm going to go to Version History, and then See Version History. Now, what you're going to see on the right side of the page is the complete version history of this particular document. And I really like this compared to Microsoft Word because it's very detailed, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's say that I know the change that I made was early in the afternoon on June the 22nd. So what I could do is I could find the June 22nd entry. This is actually from 4 years ago. And then if there's like a little arrow pointing to the right, hover over it. It says expand detailed versions. And then it will basically expand, kind of like an accordion. And you can see the different versions of the document. Then if you select one, you'll see what it looked like at that time, at 1:57. Let's say I know that I need to go back further in time to like 12:41 p.m. And you can start to see the different changes that were made during that time. For instance, I did a change here, early reviews. Maybe later on, actually, let's go back even further than that. You can see I started to delete stuff. So let's say that I wanted to restore this version. All I would do, and this would be, I'd click restore this version. I'll be prompted, and then it will basically go back to that version of the file. It'll say restored version from June 22nd, 2022. And that's exactly what I wanted. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it or subscribe on YouTube. For more information, check the links in the show notes. Thank you for watching.